G'day, I'm Marco Coulter from Komodo. Our next course is about Remote Monitoring and Management. RMM is central to any true IT and security management system. Properly deployed, it lets you access, monitor and repair all the devices in your network with a very fast and easy download and installation process. RMM helps overcome the problems of on-site troubleshooting through our tool called New Remote Control, which is just what the name implies. It gives you control of devices remotely. It is intuitive, robust, and deploys quickly. Let's see how.
Navigate to the Applications tab and the familiar RMM in the drop-down menu, then to the even more familiar device list. There you'll see your enrolled devices. Pick a Windows device to manage via remote control and select the download option with New Remote Control. You will click on a link. First log in, the remote control viewer shows you all the devices, either all the devices online or offline. Here, the device you're connected to will have the blue circle. Here's another device in the network that's currently online. And so the device we're connected to, you can do everything as if you were sitting there. It is great power. Use it wisely.
So that is our module on remote monitoring and management. Thanks for watching. Good luck on the quiz, and we'll see you soon.